A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Don Bosco Technical College DBTC in Cebu City hosted the opening of the Research Congress of the Province of the Southern Philippines FIS on Saturday 11th May. During the event, 18 documents of social research, pastoral communication and various topics were presented with qualitative, quantitative and mixed methodologies produced by 4 Salesian institutions from the FIS province. Don Bosco Formation Center Lawan, DBFC Lawan, Don Bosco Technical Institute Victorious, DBTI Victorious, St. Louis School of Don Bosco Dumaguete, SLSDB Dumaguete, and Don Bosco Technical College Cebu, DBTC Cebu. The Congress began with an address by Dr. Genaro Japos, founder and president of the Philippine Association of Research Institute, who stressed the importance of research in driving social transformation. From 10 to 12 May at the Salesian Seminary in Krakow, over 400 young people from all Salesian provinces of the province of Krakow PLS, including Ukraine, participated in the 32nd Savio-Nalia. The annual event, promoted to commemorate Saint Dominic Savio, this year took place with the motto inspired by Saint John Bosco's dream at 9 years of age. A dream that becomes reality. The event began on Friday, 10th May, with the presentation of the groups, the opening ceremony and adoration of the Blessed Sacrament. On the second day after Mass, there were conferences on the dream presented by Father Krzysztof Tomiskowski and Father Mikołaj Wizalik. Subsequently, the tournament in honor of Saint Dominic Savio began, during which participants competed in a variety of games. Wednesday, 15 May, from 9 to 12 at the Salama Technical Institute, Don Bosco's 10th successor, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, met with young people from the various Salesian works and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. As soon as he entered the park at this great Salesian work, the Rector Major was welcomed by the Rector, Father Paulo Yanino, and by all the Salesians. After the welcome from a student of the elementary school at Imara and the gift of a bouquet of flowers, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime joined all the young people who were waiting for him impatiently, singing with them with joy. For most people, dreams involve aspirations of wealth, success, freedom or luxury. But what of the hinterlands of Maharashtra, where generation villagers wake up to new day aspiring for the most basic singular to existence itself, water. As the summer sun bakes the parched earth, Bhama Mai, a 53-year-old who lives in a mountainous village in Amitnagar, sets out on an Odosi, now cruelly familiar to her withered feet. She walks and walks to a solitary hand pump, still clinging to muddy traces of life-giving water 5 kilometers downhill across a landscape crusted with the despair of drought. Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, recently launched its annual Loaves and Fishes fundraiser, which raises funds to ship life-saving aid to more than 130 countries around the globe. Because the cost of shipping critical aid is far less than its value, donations are multiplied many times over. For every dollar donated, Salesian Missions is able to ship $14 worth of critical goods to its program. The fundraising appeal runs through the end of June 2024. Aimed at maximizing the impact of donor-assisted programs and answering the call for emergency aid deliveries, the Salesian Missions Property and Logistic Program is made possible by generous assistance from government and private sector partners. Millions of dollars in U.S. government issued excess property and corporate in-kind donations are leveraged by an annual award to Salesian Missions from the U.S. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.